We're looking at a vintage Lorry saddlebag here. Looking at it, it reminds me of the Pearly Kings. All these buttons and shells and the paste turquoise. I think if you give it to a tailor to sew this on, it will cost a lot more than the cost of this. It's in very good condition, full pile, beautiful colors, really a good hand spun wool, and the back is also in perfect condition. Very importantly, the lock is in very good condition. These locks are basically put through these holes like this. I've done it up here so you can see, and then they threaded through each other like this, and then you put a piece of wood here and it locks it. And to find these with the lock and everything intact, it is quite difficult to find. A beautiful piece which would be an ideal piece for somebody who wants to collect bags because it's in such good condition.